Mango kheer.
Three cups of milk. 2 cups of mango pulp. 1 tablespoon of custard powder. Half cup of sugar, or as per taste. 2 tablespoons of mawa kawa. Half teaspoon of lychee powder, and 2 pinches of yellow food color. Some chopped cashew nuts. 1 teaspoon of dried rose petals. Some sliced almonds. 1 tablespoon of milk-made condensed milk. Transfer milk in an utensil and boil. Stir in between and cook on low flame. Add sugar. Mix and cook till sugar dissolves. Add mawa. Mix it. Add 2 tablespoons of milk and custard powder. Mix well and add give a nice mix. Custard is mixed well. Add food color and lychee powder. Give a nice mix. Add mango pulp. Mix and cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Add condensed milk. Mix it well. Turn off flame. Tasty mango kheer is ready. Let it cool down. Mango kheer is cooled down completely. Garnish with sliced almonds, chopped cashew nuts and dry rose petals. Tasty, creamy and delicious mango kheer is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.